Mental illness. A mental health condition that has a negative effect on the way an individual thinks, feels, and behaves. What is mental illness awareness? Bringing down the walls of stigma by sharing our experiences, stories, and truths. Seven signs of mental health issue. Changes in feelings, loss of interest, changes in sleeping habits, low energy, difficulty interactions, appetite or weight changes, uncontrollable emotion. More severe signs. Furthermore, these signs could lead into more serious signs that might severely hinder your ability to function normally on a day-to-day basis. Some of those signs may include feeling very sad or withdrawn for more than 2 weeks, trying to harm or end one's life or making plans to do so, severe out of control risk-taking behavior that causes harm to self or others, sudden overwhelming fear for no reason, sometimes with a racing heart, physical discomfort or difficulty breathing, significant weight loss or gain, seeing, hearing or believing things that are not real, excessive use of alcohol or drugs, drastic changes in mood, behavior, personality, or sleeping habits, extreme difficulty concentrating or staying still, intense worries or fears that get in the way of daily activities. Symptoms are just an indication of a larger issue with our mental health. Around the world, almost of us are dealing with some kind of mental health problem. While this varies according to geography, race, culture, gender, age, sexuality and so on, the general pattern is almost the same. Here are 6 of the most common mental health problems around the world. Anxiety. 12 in 100 people. Excessive worry and fear. Inability to stay calm and still. Constant panic. Personality disorders. 5 in 100 people. Behaviors that significantly differ from what is expected include paranoid, antisocial personalities. Depression. 10 in 100 people. Negative disposition that affects daily life. Deep sadness and loss of interest in things once enjoyed. Schizophrenia. 1 in 100 people. Difficulty in discerning reality from fantasy. Confused thinking and delusions. Post-traumatic stress disorder. 3 in 100 people. Intense stress from traumatic events. Nightmare, severe anxiety. Eating disorders. 1 in 100 people. Serious disturbances in eating habits include anorexia, bulimia,